Welcome to us. And next 15 to 20 minutes, we will show you our perspective about intelligent manufacturing. I'm Mike Zhang from Zoomlion Group. Okay, and let's start. First of all, let me introduce Zoomlion to you. Zoomlion is a heavy machinery manufacturer. We have been for produce construction machines for over 30 years, and we have over 700 models so far. And you see, we have our business across the world is over 180 countries. Okay, we are very familiar with how to manufacturing and design manufacturing heavy machinery. Okay. Next, we will see what is happening around us. You will see actually AI transformation is underway. We will see all the investment are hiking. Around the CAGR is over 40% a year, and you can see the scale of the parameter is hiking as well. And whether you have been noticed, in the past few years, the cost for the tokens per million tokens have dropped over 98%. Okay, that's behind why the cost is been very large scale. And from our perspective, we are an industry player. We are seeing that the integration of the digital world and the physical world are speeding up. You will see the computing power and the intelligent manufacturing equipment actually are quickly merged with each other. Okay, in our industry sector, we see our manufacturing is becoming more flexible and agile. You will see that in the same production line, our batch size can drop to over 50%, and the delivery time is speeding up, is shortened by more than 30%. What happened behind is in Zoomlion. We have re-architected our intelligent manufacturing solution. Overall, you can see actually our solution is covered from a very single plate, steel plate, to a final product. All are automated solution and digitized. You see, we will show you the largest and the most comprehensive construction machine production site is our Zoomlion Intelligent Smart Industry City in Changsha. Overall, you can see that the investment is around 12.5 billion euro, and you will see we have 4 industry parks composed of our 4 production lines. Next, we will see what is real video from the industry park. You can see actually we are producing things from one steel plate. It's an automated material flow. And for cutting and processing. Next, the shape will be changed. The material flow are all automated by our AGVs and the welding solution. Yeah, some key components will be ready. and the coating and the painting process for the parts. You will see thousands of robots are integrated in the solution and from a steel plate to a final product. And here, from this part, you will see actually all the product will be ready. Our final assembly product will be ready and be tested automatically. Yeah, we see a lot of machines. Yeah, we are building construction machines. The intelligent manufacturing is serve us how to produce our products better, more efficiently, with higher productivity. Okay, that's more or less about the video, and let's go back to the slide. And now we are not only serve Zoomlion internally, also we partnered with the global leaders in energy sector and other leading industry players around the world to help them to rebuild their factories and to make it more intelligent, the production more intelligent. Worldwide, you see the Zoomlion intelligent manufacturing footprint is more than 10 countries. Around in Europe, US, and China, Middle East, we have our footprint worldwide. And behind the scene, I will show you a large-scale application of robots. It's a very core part of this. While you will notice that actually there are generations of application. First of all, the first one is pre-programmed. It's followed by rules. And the second one is adaptive robots, which have a little bit sensor to guide and a vision system to guide the manufacturing process. And the last one, you will see nowadays we are trying to build in the embodied robotics, AI-based native robotics into the solution and to make the production more flexible and agile. Yeah, behind everything underground, you will see actually the structure for AI is re-architected. Its traditional way is a traditional IT. And in the years ago, we transformed to the cloud-based native-based. And nowadays is AI native and also agent native. We are trying to upgrade our architecture behind the scene to support the happen. And you will see the logic for specific logic here in this page, and you will see actually it's a closed loop from the hardware to software, from the management to give the order, and from the execution part to give the feedback. It's all linked, and that's why we call it agent-based native, because everything you will have a logic behind that, okay, and it's self-evolving. And we also see another thing is the embodied robot are the core for everything because it's the key part behind. He can touch everything in the corner for everything to be connected through the robot. And also, overall speaking, actually that's why we show you our perspective that the factories are self-evolving now, and they are becoming a big system. Okay, it's an ecosystem, intelligent ecosystem. While actually it's worldwide, we partnered with some global leaders about the digital world and from the financial world. AWS is a very big partner of us, and as well SAP from financial world. Here comes actually the architect, how we work them together. Zoomlion basically is from physical world, and above that, AWS provide a hybrid cloud worldwide, and SAP is connected to the financial world. These three worlds are connected each other more closely now. while this is overall from hardware to software architecture, overall can help the factories to self-evolve and also through its life cycle, from the new build, the greenfield factories, as well to the brownfield, okay, to rebuild the factory. It both can support, okay? And what is happening now? Nowadays, when we're standing here, what's happening now, you will see it shows actually the cost and the performance are diverging. The trends are diverging, right? The costs are going down very fast, while the performance is hiking. That's why we see it will be the future. I will show you. Yeah. Nowadays, after we have re-architected our hardware and the software, we have a very integrated and it's very structured business, and we will see that the robots and the agent-based robots is becoming the core, connected everything together in the factory system and help the factory to be evolved. Yes, I have mentioned this several times, the three words. You see, we from the physical world, and as well the digital world, and as well the financial world. Right? It's connecting more closely, and they are evolving together through a hybrid cloud and also a hardware system. Yeah. Looking into the future, we will see. Now we are in the AI model, tokens, a lot of things. While later on, we have seen that partially happening is because it's evolving. It will into the industrial robots and humanoids-based and agent-native structure. It will start already, and it's faster and faster. While we see that, but nowadays, actually, not a solution or not a direction is fixed. We see this together, and we face the challenge together, and actually, maybe together we figure out the future solution for ourselves, right? For our future. So we are looking for partners. Okay, if you have a second, scan us, and we also have a booth behind this inside the Amazon. We have show our robots and also our platform. If you want, take it, and we try to collaborate with each other and figure out the solution together. Okay, that's more or less for me in the past 10 minutes. Thank you.